Hello again, welcome to today's attempt for connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. What are we starting with today? A bunch of short words, which could well make it tricky, because there's so many different things they can refer to. A yolk. I mean, that's not how you spell the yolk of an egg. So the only thing I know about yolk with that spelling is that I think it's the thing that's used in like strongman competitions and weightlifting for lifting things. So maybe a yoke goes with a jack. I don't know what else is used for lifting. So we're gonna have to come back to that. Blue cheese, cream cheese, perhaps. Shredded cheese? Is that what Americans call grated cheese? What would the fourth one be? Oh, jack cheese. That's definitely a form of cheese in America. It's not even one away. Oh no. Hopelessly wrong. Not a good start. I mean, low and down are synonyms, but what would the other two be there? A rub, a goat, and a fish, and a ram. There's a few animals in there. I don't know what is going on. Shred is something you can do with a guitar. Shred and rip, they mean to tear something. Again, I can't see how that's going to link to two others. I'm making no progress. Lip balm? Something? What's going to go with that? A balm similar to a paste? And a cream. Archer, rub, shred. Blue, a jack, a ram. I've got no idea what the fourth one could be. A cream, a paste, a balm. I mean, just a rub, perhaps? It is, okay. They're all ointments. I'm not sure I've ever used rub in that context. At least we got one group out the way. Okay. How does archer link to anything else? An archer uses bows and arrows. Is there any other thing that uses arrows or bows? Can't see how. They all have horns? Is that plausible? Do you have horns on a yoke? I wouldn't have thought so. Horns on a fish? Let's see if I'm at least one away. I'm not. Dear. Barking up several wrong trees so far. Blue moon? Dark side of the moon? That doesn't seem likely as a connection. A yoke. A shred. A shred of evidence. Let it rip. Let it shred. Losing confidence in this group already. Or in that train of thought, I should say. I've got no idea. I don't think I've even got something that links 2 or 3 of these together. I thought I was getting somewhere with the cheeses, but no. I thought I was getting somewhere with the animals, but no. I just don't know. Oh, they're all star sign related, aren't they? Zodiac symbols. Yes. So that's why putting Jack and Yoke with the other two animals didn't make any sense. Okay. That's got that done. And what about the last two groups? I can't believe I've got this far. I had no idea for most of this. Just a couple of bouts of inspiration. Will I get another one? Yoke. How does yoke connect to anything? Blue, dark, down. They don't really sound like anything else. Huh. A shred of evidence. What else is shred gonna be? A tiny bit of evidence or something that you do with a guitar? You play the blues. You shred it, you rip it. You down it? I don't think that works. But I haven't got any better suggestions. That's not even one away. Okay, so we know it's two of the left side and two of the right side. Dark room after dark. Riptide. Low tide. Downtide. Dark tide. I don't think this is right. But I don't have anything better. I think I'm about to lose my last life. I have done. They all mean gloomy. Blue, dark, down, and low. Maybe. And then jacked, ripped, shredded, and yoked. I've just never heard of yoked in that context. I feel like I should have maybe put jacked, ripped, and shredded together. Maybe I then would have got yoked by process of elimination by knowing that it wasn't any of the others. But, yeah, tricky one. Blue, dark, down, and low. Well, I'm feeling blue, dark, down, and low about having failed. Oh dear. Not my best performance. I think that was a tricky one. But let me know if you whizzed through it, or let me know if you struggled as well. Make me feel better. Either way, that is Connections. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.